Alright, so I'm replacing the blower or the blower fan resistor for my wife's 2011 Volvo XC90. She turns on the AC, nothing happens. You can hear the AC compressor kick on, but there's no blower coming, no blower action at all. So the first step of the operation is to take the seat out. Pretty straightforward. There are some little plastic covers that sit on the front edge, on the on the front to cover the bolts. Then on the rear there are two other covers. The rear ones you have to pry them off. The front ones you just push down on the round button and they'll release and you can pull them out. 4 13 millimeter bolt heads, and then you take them out, and then we're going to continue the operation. The other thing I did already was I did remove the inner part of the glove box so you could get good access to everything that's behind here. There's a good number of bolts. I think there's six. There are 6 of them. You'll see them when you open the glove box. There's one here, one on the opposite side. There's 2 up on top here, and then there's 3 of them underneath the edge here, 1, 2, and 3. And then basically the whole box comes out. There's one main connector here. You take it out, and then you can fiddle out if you have one of these USB charger type things. Comes in from the top of the box, and then you just remove that. Then you can take out the whole box. Also forgot to mention there is a cover underneath here with a light on it. That one also has to come out. Also sits with 2 bolts. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to stop the video now so we can move along.